Hi everyone. In today's video, we will see how to perform an optimal asset review process in the Kili interface. From the queue page, you will have a view on all of your assets. The queue page provides you with useful information on an asset status, the quality management percentage, the assignment, the priority for the assets, if an asset has been skipped by the labelers, and the labelers who have been working on a specific asset. From the queue, you will also be able to do different actions by selecting one and then clicking here. It can be reassigning the asset to specific labelers, prioritizing some assets, sending them back to queue, add them to review, export their labels, or delete them. Kili also provides you with a powerful filter engine. This filter allows you to run custom search queries to retrieve specific assets. These queries can be referring to different things. It can be, for example, the status of your assets, the quality metrics such as honeypot, consensus, and so on, some specific label class, and for example, the name of the asset, which is the external asset ID. This filter can be enriched with your own imported metadata and prediction labels and are available in both the queue and the Explore interface. In this video, we will focus on a complete review process for three scenarios: an asset with an open question, an asset that does not fit your expectation, and an asset that needs to be corrected. So let's start to filter on the two reviewed assets. I will just click to my filter and then on the status, select the to review. Then I can start clicking the Explore interface to see all of these assets. The first scenario is from the Explore view to filter the assets and see the one with open questions. To do that, I can go to Add Filter and then Issues and Questions and select Open Questions. And here I can only see my assets that have open questions. You can see that with the little number here on the issues. And if you click on it, you will be able to see the questions and the issues. In this case, I can see that there is a question that has been asked by the labelers. As a reviewer, I can reply to this question and then send it, and then click Send Back to Queue to send this asset to be reviewed, to be labeled again by the same person. When you click Send Back to Queue on this asset, the asset status will change to ongoing. The asset will return to the queue of the same labeler who added the disputed label. The asset gets the top labeling priority, which means that the labeler will see this asset as the first one to be labeled. Second option is to add an issue. If an asset does not fit your expectation, you have the possibility to open an issue and send it back to the labeler. To do that, simply click on Create an issue, add an issue, write whatever is not good about it, and then you can send it and press Send Back to Queue. On the same way, the asset status will change to ongoing, and the labeler will see this asset as the first one to be labeled. Lastly, what you can do as a reviewer is to change and edit what have been done by the labelers. To do that, just simply select a specific asset that have some labels, and you can completely redo all of the work that have been done. For example, you can click on a specific label, and with the right click, you can change its class, create an issue, or delete it, for example. You can also use the job viewer to change the categories or draw, for example, another bounding box. Once this is done, you can simply click Review to validate it, and the asset will be considered as fully reviewed. Thank you for your time, and have a good day.